In this video, we're going to look at MindMup. It's a concept mapping website. It's kind of like Inspiration or Kidspiration. I've placed a link on the student start page, and if you'll scroll down to the tools area, you'll find it right here. When you click on that, it's going to open up with a brand new mind map, and it's going to start you with a center topic idea box. So I'm going to use the topic that second grade was working with, and it's things I like about fall. So I'm going to double click and type that in. So that's going to be my writing prompt. Something else that you can do with that is make that a little bit larger font by just clicking on this button, and that way that topic is going to stand out. Additionally, if you want to change the coloring, it's this little button right here. I can change the background and the text color. And then we need to build our ideas off of that topic. So to build those ideas, we have some buttons up here. The first one is going to insert just a box. And this is not going to be attached. But this could be really handy if you want the student to put their name on their page. And then they could put their name up on the corner. Now back to the topic and the ideas. The second button comes into play here. This is going to add an attached idea. And one of the things that second grade came up with was they liked Thanksgiving. And they had some other topics. So at this point, since we're inside of an idea, we can go to this third button. This third button will add another idea onto the topic. So another idea they had was they liked the leaves changing colors. And if I had another idea, I'd just simply come back and hit this button again. Now there's another way to add an idea. You can click back on your topic and then choose this first button again, and that'll also give you an idea off of the main topic. So their third idea was they like to jump in the leaves. Okay. If I click back on the center topic, this automatically slides over and it organizes it for you. Now to have details off of those ideas, I'm going to click on Thanksgiving, and just like I added ideas to my main topic, I just simply click the second button again and start adding those ideas. If I click the third button, it'll give me an idea based off of this idea box. And like for the leaves changing colors, I want to add an idea off of that and maybe list those colors. And then I'll use the third button to continue with that. So this is a basic mind map ready for a paragraph. You could actually go into these individually and change the colors if you wanted to. Another thing that you can do is this button over here where it says select children and siblings, select the subtree. If I click on this main topic, those buttons are opened up to where I can either do the subtree or the children. And the way that works, the subtree selects basically everything based off of that topic, and the children will only select the ideas off of that main topic. And this would be handy if you wanted to change all of these to the same color. So now that I've selected the children, I can come back up, set them to a different color to help with organization of this paragraph. And you can actually go into step up to writing colors if you wanted to. So like if I selected Thanksgiving and I selected the subtree, that's going to select the things off of that Thanksgiving topic. Or actually it should select, there it goes. It selects Thanksgiving along with that, and if I select just the children, it's just the ideas based off of Thanksgiving. Change that color. So you can continue to change the colors to suit your organizational needs here. I'm going to add this area to be blue. And since I didn't mean to change this to yellow, I've made a mistake. So to back up, there's an undo button. So what I should have done was select children only and then change the color. You can also reduce or enlarge the text size when it's selected like that. So this is a quick way to make it look just the way you want. Another thing, you can drag these around if you want to drag them. Kind of help position things in the way that they seem meaningful to you as you're writing. Now once you get everything set up and you're ready to print, go under the File menu, select Print. In this box you can change it to Portrait or Landscape. So for this one, I'm going to select Landscape because it's just kind of set up for that. I'm going to hit Export, and then I'm going to download. Now my downloads for PDFs are set to open in a new window. This is going to open up in Chrome, so it's just like printing out of Chrome. I'm going to click on the printer. Check out my preview, make sure it's correct. If something is cut off in the preview, click on More Settings. Go down to Scale and make sure it's fit to page. Because if it's default, it may only print part of your map, but fit to page will cause it to put everything on a single page. Once that's set up, hit Print, and then pick it up off the printer. You can also save it as a PDF, which this is actually a PDF I could download right now if you were at your mind map. If you wanted to send that as a digital copy through like Google Classroom, you could go File, Download As, and just select PDF. Again, your settings are here. You click Export, and it's basically the same process as a print. It's going to create a PDF. You're going to have the options to send or download, and it does the exact same thing. So here's that PDF that I can download and attach to Google Classroom.